Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you have iPhone and you update iOS 27, just change iPhone photo editing forever. iOS 27 are introducing tool features in photo section. Inside the tool option, we are receiving cleanup, extend and reframing. How to use this one, where is available and what is the advantage of this three different features. We will see detailed demonstration on my iPhone screen. Let's start. Here is my iPhone. I just simply open here one of the photo. Just simply demo point of view, randomly I open this photo. Is the bottom of the screen. Look at this here, three line is showing. If you tap here, so here adjust, filter, crop and tool option is showing. Previously here cleanup feature is showing. If you tap here, so cleanup comes in tool section and then extend and reframe. So first of all, I just simply use here cleanup point of view. So I just simply clean up this one and just simply clean up, complete this process, and here remove this option. Using this process you can very easily clean up this one. Second option is extend. If you tap here extend section, so first of all look at this here, pitch to zoom out or adjust the crop to add more to your scenes. If you see here, I just simply extend zoom in like this, and this is the extend one. If I zoom one, so pixel is not disturb anything, and afterwards I just simply tap here extend. So look at this here, extending your photo. This take a moment, several seconds you need to spend here after extending this image. And look at this here, your photo has been extended. If I tap here done, so look at this, my photo is extended and I'm receiving impressive features. If you use as a personal image, so you can very easily see these features, really impressive. Look at this here, this is the original image and afterwards this is the extended image, like a zoom in, zoom out. Next option is a reframe. So look at this here, reframing entire image. Touch, drag to adjust the respective, use two finger to pin. Look at this here, reframing. So if you see here 3D effects and reframing like this, and if you see here reframing and just see reframing your photo. This is the beta version. Original version is not they are introducing yet, but after you receive original version iOS, so that time you receiving much more impressive result for the reframing and extended image as well. Complete this process and look at this here. So reframing is really impressive. If I say here okay, so first of all this is the original image and this is the extend and reframing as well. This is the really impressive. Here we are receiving some of the features and especially here in his cheeks. So this is the one of the amazing features they are introducing in iOS 27, cleanup, extend and reframing. So this is the amazing features iOS 27 are introducing in tool option. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.